Albert, he's getting manual.
Manual. Everybody sees me online only using power tools. I might be able to get away.
So I'm timing, okay? Because
You're timing me.
of course.
Yeah, this
I
is.
mean, I heard it's
So
so
much
easy to
pressure.
change a tire on the P6. I want proof.
Is it deep enough? Oh, no, it's not. Damn it.
So to do the tire change, you pull it off completely or do what you did last
Do what
night?
I did last night.
That's cool. I watched them tighten
have
the
straight up
axle
just
bolts
longer
last
bits.
night.
Do you?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that could work.
I thought someone had just found a solution.
Do I only have a 5?
Nope.
To my surprise, 100 stories high, people get shot.
Something like this.
Oh, yeah. Is this 4?
It's 4.
Oh, sick.
I have a 4 and a 5. I don't know where the 3 is. But I have 3 like socket head bits. You know what I mean?
This will work. It's deep enough. Thank you.
I don't know if it's because you calibrated it with the wheel on its side or something, but it was only doing the left turn signal earlier.
Oh no, one of the cables are crimped.
Oh,
This one right here.
okay. So both brake lights are working or just the turn signals?
Yeah.
Kind of keeps doing.
Our savior is here.
What happened?
What's happening?
We're just preparing for when you get here. We're like, oh, you should be here back soon. We'll start taking apart the wheel, and hopefully when you come, it's the perfect time for me to put the tire on.
Close enough.
Yeah, pretty close.
What's that thing?
The
Your tools. No, the.
Oh, yeah. Rob called and he's like, "Bring them just in case." Okay.
Where's my Allen?
Leftover blue helmets, some different pads and stuff I got in the car.
Did anybody lose a blue helmet?
If not, then I gained one.
We asked them.
I have extra.
Thing to note, he unlocked the bolt manually.
I think Inmotion was advertising a 30-second tire change or something. What's the timer now?
30 seconds?
I think it was 30 seconds, right?
He didn't get the
I
training.
think that was King Song, wasn't it?
Yeah. Change the tire.
Or was it Nosfat? I think it was Nosfat.
One of the two, the Apex or the F18.
Yeah.
Nice to see you guys. Nice meeting you. Yeah. Good to see you around.
Man.
Take care, Albert.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure and an honor, my man.
Once stuff's done with it, I'll ship it to you.
Thank you so much, bro. I'll make it. I'll see if there's any more sexy to make it look like. But this is crazy, bro. This is dope.
Speaks for itself.
Yeah, it does its thing, man. It does its thing. Yeah. All right.
Bye. Nice to meet you. Drive safe.
All right. Take care.
Drive
Bro.
safe.
Take care, Nick.
Someone's done something.
Mike. Is this Mike's helmet?
Maybe, yeah. Maybe Mike's, is that your blue helmet?
Probably.
Sunglasses.
I thought you were just ran out of RAM or the data here.
It's very similar to Lubricant.
Very similar. That's why I always tell people it's like a Sherman S or a Sherman L.
Alright, so look. I was sick.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna guess the production version is gonna have washer and lock washer.
No.
No? Is there a reason?
It doesn't need it.
Doesn't need it. Does Inmotion have torque specs for these?
I can get them. You probably do, I just don't know what they are.
That's fine. No, yeah, that's fine.
Would you be able to get a 3D file for the top of the wheel?
I think it's already out there. Or the handles or the
Albert, would you be able to get a 3D file for the top of the wheel so that I can design a seat for it?
Probable. Probable.
It's easier to get than a wheel.
It's probable, yes.
Put the tire on backwards, whatever you do.
Oh yeah, I like that. That's nice.
The bead lock? Yeah.
10 minutes.
Let's take it down.
Is the suspension, the shocks designed by Inmotion?
No, it's a different manufacturer. Actually, no,
Are these fast
I don't know whether or not it's designed by Inmotion. or designed by them. So I guess I don't know. I don't know the
What a
specifics.
chair.
Oh, thank you. It rolls too.
Yeah. Don't crash it.
And then how does the fender mount? Is it just,
It's just
kinda,
2 screws up
It's
there.
the 2 screws that go all the
Yeah,
way
you can see
through.
right here. No, just 2 at the top.
Very L-like. Oh, here, go to the other side. Try to use the pad, like a spacer.
Yeah, you like it?
Nice idea. Nice and soft.
Yeah.
No,
See
they
it?
don't. Yeah, so it's not like other like an L where it goes all the way through.
It does not go all the way through. Yeah, it just secures it to the middle section
Yeah.
Those radiator fins are massive.
on the control board.
Yeah, way bigger. It's got
It's so cool. Even
It
if
makes it go faster too.
yeah,
You know if they're useless.
even if they're useless, they're cool.
What were the temperatures where you were doing the heat test?
Dude, like not even that bad. Like when we were there racing, it was like not even 60 degrees Celsius.
You need to take those screws out.
Which ones?
The ones you just
Yeah, to slide this piece out.
I have some sunglasses if anybody left some over there.
blue sunglasses.
They're yours.
I saw them.
I left mine here.
I don't need them because I need eyeglasses.
You got it?
But somebody's gonna miss them. Or is he gonna leave them?
Oh, too tall. It's at the top.
Which one? Yeah, it's IPX6 rated. 7X6X7.
Oh, I see. So you just leave the motor bolts
Oh, you
on.
don't even have to take them out. Oh.
Yeah. This is Christine's holding it.
Who brought the tire?
There is one in the tire.
How many pull-outs does it take to change a tire?
Didn't even need it.
Do you want to lube that at all or anything?
All right, now spin it. Let's see if that thing vibrates.
Just spit on it.
Let's install it with all these tools in it. It'll balance out the tire.
Put it in the oven, warm it up for a little while. That's gonna be all sticky.
Yeah. Not ideal, but it's all right.
We'll put you on it to go break it in, so you can slide.
Oh, is that Christine?
Of course.
Somebody timing? I think someone's recording.
Have we been timing? Have we been
12,
recording this whole time?
12 minutes, 56 seconds at the moment.
Oh, really? That's not even that bad.
Yeah.
I can't believe you need one of those fancy carts just to change a tire.
Well, it's so that we can walk it over to the neighbors with their air compressor, because we don't have an air compressor. They got dogs, too.
What we really need is just a hose to go from the cart to the gas. Use that. Fine. That would do it.
And he's trying to manhandle it.
Yeah, I see that, but I'm offering. Yay!
Thank you.
And then if we position it correctly, it should just go right. You want to grab the little mini pump to see if it airs up off of that?
Sure. You drop it.
Dish soap?
I mean, you already got it on.
No.
Let's see if it sits.
Center. Leak, yeah.
I've set a one-wheel bead with something similar before.
Yeah, we set Sean's L bead on his Shinko and his.
You should hire these guys for PV.
He's
12
already-
minutes.
he's
12
already
minutes
working-
to change a tire.
Well, he's working for Inmotion, so he's got the inside knowledge.
You're going?
Just come up.
I'm not going to be going in a long time either.
Joe?
I'm riding back home,
Nice
so
seeing you.
Try to squeeze it
Thank
in.
you for getting footage of
I'm
me
riding
letting
back
you
home.
get
Leave it running while you're doing it. See what happens.
I came with my
Well, I
wheel.
think this part's too tight. I think this part's loose here.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
Leave it on.
There you go.
You take care. It's leaking.
Yeah, let's just try to find out
Do you have a valve core remover by chance?
Yes.
Rob,
First impressions riding the wheel now, because everyone's
So-
asking about tire change.
Albert, what do you think of the tire check?
That's the big part.
I think it's fun.
What do you think?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Hey, Zaki Poo, how's it going?
Christine, any impression on the tire
What are you up
change?
to?
Battery is heavy.
Poor Christine has been holding this
What
for
issues are you
half an
having?
hour. No, not that much.
10 minutes.
Mike,
what's up?
what do you think?
About
Easy?
tire change?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
simple.
you can use the regular.
Pretty similar to like a leaper cam, you know?
Yeah, you just have to open it the side where the
Yeah.
wire is.
Oh, then we might have to wait for Mark to wake up to confirm.
I think it's
Maybe he sent
a
it wrong
few
or
more
something.
steps than like something like your L, but it's not much harder. It's within the realm of super easy to do.
Maybe, somebody...
So a little bit more than 12 minutes to open
No,
it.
the only difference is the motor temp sensor fusion. That was
I
updated.
think it's going to be about the same thing
But-
to close it.
Yeah, for you it's fine.
Not bad.
It's only for the racing. I wanted them to update it before Apex.